Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the shopkeeper. Before going to start this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never missing any feature update. So without any delay, let us start our today episode. Our fifth amazing pressure washer is Yard Force 1800 PSI electric pressure washer with live hose reel and turbo nozzle. Reliable performance with 24-month warranty. 1800 PSI at 1.2 GPM from the axial cam pump generates the power you need for a wide range of cleaning applications. The reliable 13-amp electric motor runs quiet season after season, and the pump and motor are backed by a 24-month warranty. Live hose and power cord reels. The 25 hose is attached directly to the water supply. Just pull out as much or as little hose as you need and start cleaning. More than just storage like competitive models. The Easy Win power cord reel eliminates those tangled balls of wire. Just fold out the handle and wind up the 35 cord when you're done. Low profile cart with folding handle. Unique, stable cart design has a low center of gravity to prevent tipping, and the folding handle makes for compact storage or transportation. Top handle on the base is centered for balance and easy lifting, and 8 wheels roll easily over most terrain. 1-gallon super soap tank. Large capacity tank allows you to clean longer between refills to get the job done quicker. The drain plug at the bottom of the tank allows you to rinse before changing to a different type of detergent. Complete cleaning system. Everything is included. 3 quick connect nozzles, 15 degrees, 40 degrees and soap plus bonus turbo nozzle included for cleaning stains and hard surfaces like concrete, brick, metal railings, etc. Trigger handle and wand with metal quick connect fitting. Accepts all standard pressure washer accessories with 1/4 connection, no adapter needed. Our next amazing product is Stanley SHP 2000 electric power washer. Powerful cleaning force, perfect for siding, decks, cement, pavement, pools, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs, garbage cans, animal cages and more. Save water over a garden hose, up to 80% over a standard garden hose with 40% more water pressure. More features: onboard hose reel for easy storage of the high pressure hose, built-in detergent tank, leak-proof connections, professional grade brass garden hose connector and 22mm connections. The connection of choice for professional level accessories. A big benefit of this unit is the hose reel and the placement for the power cord on the side. These make the unit very plug and play and overall easy to use. I can get it out in about 1-2 minutes and put it back in about 2-3 minutes. Very simple. The biggest drawback is that I keep tipping the unit. When I run out of hose length, I tend to pull on the unit, and it has tipped over. As I get more familiar with the hose lengths, I can avoid this, but it has tipped over several times. Not a big deal, but it does happen. Finally, it does store very well. It doesn't take up much space, and I am actually able to keep the unit inside. It's a relatively small footprint for a power washer. Our next amazing product is AR Blue Clean AR390SS electric pressure washer. Outdoor cleaning power, easy and quick for decks, patios, siding, driveways, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs and more. Highly rated, top-rated Consumer Report 2016 electric pressure washer tests. Amazon customers rate this 4.5 out of 5. Motor type: universal 120 volts 60 Hz attachments included. Professional style pressure washer gun, pressure washer wand, 30-foot high pressure hose, 48 ounces detergent tank and 4 different quick change pressure washer nozzles. Environmentally friendly, conserves water by using 80% less water with 40% more power than a standard garden hose. Quieter than gas engine models. Easy to assemble. Pull it out of the box, insert the hose reel and attach the handle. Connect the high pressure hose and garden hose. Plug the GFCI to a 3-prong outlet with a ground. Pull the trigger to start cleaning. If the pressure washer had been as described, I'd give it 5 stars, but there are 3 serious issues that aren't as described by the manufacturer. First, The hose is a piece of junk, not the upgraded braided hose. For less kinks in the description. Imagine the cheap clear vinyl hose from your local hardware store with some reinforcing to handle the pressure. This stuff will not pull straight, keeps trying to coil itself back up, and you end up fighting loops to work. Plus the force the hose exerts leads to problem. Number 2. This thing tips over real easily. I have yet to be able to unreel the hose without holding the unit upright while I fight the coils of hose off the reel. Once the hose is off the reel, all the force is at the reel, which is at the top, so a slight tug on the hose tips the thing over, which leads to problem. Number 3. Everything is on one side of the unit. When it tips front, all of the force of the fall is concentrated on the water hose connection. The first time it happened, I was lucky to be using a cheap hose which just pulled out of the connector threads. Come on, add some feet to the front of this thing. It wouldn't add $1 to your cost. Our next amazing product is Sunjo SPX 3500 2300 PSI 1.48 GPM Brushless Induction Electric Pressure Washer. Brass hose connector. Blast away the most stubborn dirt, tar, mud, and other caked-on gunk plus grime with 2,300 pounds per square inch of stripping power, and wash it all away with the 148 GPM flow, 13 amp/2. 000W brushless induction motor is designed to last longer, run quieter, and work cooler than traditional universal motors. Adjustable detergent dial lets you dial in just the right amount of soap from the 46 fluid ounces onboard detergent tank. Tailor your spray with the onboard 5 quick connect spray tips. Choose between 0 superscript O, 15 superscript O, 25 superscript O, 40 superscript O, and soap for light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Exclusive and revolutionary total stop system automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Water inlet pressure, max, 0.7 pa. Last but not least, our fifth amazing product is Karcher K2000 Electric Power Pressure Washer 2000 PSI TruPressure. Our best-in-class pressure washer packed with innovative features, designed for high-end performance with 2000 PSI and a 1.3 GPM water flow rate. Karcher's K2000 is perfect for users who demand the ultimate level of home cleaning. Integrated metal extrusions, oversized wheels, and overall robust design allows you to take the product where you need to go. Key ease of use features include high cord wind, tall handle, bucket storage pin, space-saving rotating handle, dual removable detergent tanks, pressurized hose reel, and an innovative on/off foot switch. Universal quick connect ones and standard M22 hose connections simplify nozzle and accessory usage. The induction motor is engineered to withstand the rigorous demands of frequent residential use. Certified performance. The K2000 meets all Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association PW101 performance requirements, which ensures accurate PSI and GPM ratings. This is a fairly powerful pressure washer which does an acceptable job of cleaning. It arrived with an outstanding user guide which used a very legible size font and easily read print. The instructions and the illustrations made assembly an easy task. I started off by cleaning the slate patio on the back of my house and the brick porch and steps on the front. I then cleaned 2 of my sidewalks. Finally, I cleaned my home office which I had built behind my house. All of the results were satisfactory and I called it a day. I do not consider this an outstanding pressure washer, but for the uses that I have, it does the job sufficiently well. That's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe for more interesting and helpful products. Please tell me which product you want to buy. Catch you in next video. Until then, keep smile.